The top in command is a very useful command in dplyr that allows you to extract the top values within a data set or groups within a data set. For this demonstration, I'm going to use some baseball data. So we're going to use the package developed by Sean Lehman. So if you don't have that package installed, I've typed in the command that allows you to do so. Once you have it installed, you still need to activate it. So I'm going to require that package. And I also need to require the dplyr package. So let's start by just taking a look at the names of the, actually we're going to use the data set called batting. And let's take a look at the names in the batting data set. And we are going to use just a few of them that we're interested in. So we're going to look at the top home run hitters over a period of years. So we're going to use the piping operator in dplyr to chain together some commands to allow us to figure out who the top home run hitters were for these different years. So what we're going to do is to start with the data set, and then I'm going to type in the piping operator. It turns out there's a keyboard shortcut for doing that, which is in the Macintosh Command-Shift-M, and there it types in that the three symbols that constitute the piping operator. So we take the batting data set, and then we're going to select just 3 of the columns: player ID, year ID, and home runs. Piping operator again. We're going to just look at a few years, so we'll say look at years after at 2000 and beyond. And now we're going to group by years, like so. Now we're set to do the top in command. So we enter top in, and let's say we want to know the 5 top home run hitters for every year. So we're going to do 5, and we're going to search home runs. And I'm going to issue one more dplyr command. We're going to arrange the data first by year, and then I want to know what the home run totals are in descending order. So I'm going to do descending, using the descending wrapper around home runs. So now I have my chain of commands, and I'll just run that. And here we have the values. So starting in the year 2000, we see that the top home run hitter was Sammy Sosa, and because there were some ties, I actually have 6 top home run hitters for the year 2000. 2001, Barry Bonds had 73, which is the all-time high, and so forth. So top in is very useful to extract the maximum values from groups of your data.